Hey guys, OT Sports Cards, Dominion number 166. Last team, the Jets, ended February 18th, 2014. See serial number 2066-73-834. See 2066-738-834. All right, good luck to everyone. Looks like there's an Anaheim hit right in the back. I think that's the back. Nope, that's the top. Alright, Rickard Rakell, auto patch number 2/99 for the Anaheim Ducks. There's like a small ding on the patch window there. Next up, we got a redemption. Rookie patch auto, Austin Watson for the Nashville Predators. If you have the Predators, let me know if you just want the code message to you. Saves me some shipping. Anze Kopitar, gold base, number 28/50 for the Kings. Another nice hit for the Kings. Got a quad patch. Luc Robitaille, Jeremy Roenick, Bernie Nichols, and Marcel Dion, numbered 4/5. All for the Kings. Alright, we got Harry Pessinen, rookie auto, number 22/299 for the Devils. And the last card, another hit for the Ducks, Corey Perry base, number 211/299. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.